Leonard. Good thing Nate's here. Thinks you need CPR.
Yeah.
It's never gonna happen.
Some of that meth breath will kickstart that heart right away.
He's gonna.
Better quit bullshitting, Nate. Leonard's already got 2 on you.
Hey, I'm in, Andrew Calora will take care of Nate next month.
Oh, yeah? Pizza
like
challenge.
Everywhere.
So, who won? How many did you eat, Nate?
Hold on, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Come on.
I had 13.
13? You had 16?
Yeah.
Believe that?
More than
You should be good at math. You can't figure out how many you fucking ate? There it is. 13 and 16.
I'm the winner.
Another winner.
Wow.
Win in the books for Leonard.
And I'm the winner of the piss drinking, too.
Yes, you are.
Next is the piss drinking contest, Nate.
No.
Heroes.
You can be the winner for that. You are the.
Dale, to get big, you gotta use yourself sick.
No. Remember,
Like me. See that?
Oh, my
there was like a harsh.
That's a lot of calories and liquid in there,
Harsh.
Dale.
Even got.
It's all gonna go out to the muscles real soon.
Yeah,
Go right out your ass.
How much piss can you drink, Dale? You coward.
Oh, he's a coward because he doesn't want to drink pills?
Yeah.
He's like a filthy animal like you?
Right.
Yeah, that language is. That's really.
Glad you're proud of yourself for that shit.